Imagine waking up one morning, walking to the mirror, and noticing something shocking. In a good way. The fine lines that used to bother you look softer. The creases around your mouth look less deep, and that tired, saggy look your skin used to have suddenly looks a little tighter, a little smoother, a little more alive. Now imagine if that transformation didn't come from an expensive cream, a painful treatment, or some weird trending gadget, but simply from 2 vitamins you take at night. I know, it sounds almost too good to be true, but stay with me, because today I'm going to reveal the 2 nighttime vitamins that help repair crepey, saggy skin while you sleep. And not only that, I'll explain exactly why taking these vitamins at night supercharges their effect, how they work inside your skin cells, and what kind of results real people report within days. If you've ever looked at your arms and thought, why does my skin look like crepe paper? Or noticed sagging around your neck or eyes and wondered how it happened so fast, this video is going to be a game changer for you. Before we dive in, I want to make something super clear. Saggy, crepey skin is not just a getting older problem. It happens to young people too. It happens if you lose weight fast. It happens if you get too much sun. It happens if you don't sleep well or don't hydrate enough, or if your collagen production slows down for any reason at all. So if you've been feeling self-conscious about your skin texture, I want you to breathe and take the pressure off yourself. This is fixable. Your skin is not ruined, it's not too late, and you're not stuck with it. Skin repairs itself every single night. The only question is, are you giving your skin the nutrients it needs to do that job properly? That's where these 2 nighttime vitamins come in. The first vitamin is one your skin absolutely craves. Think of it as the repair supervisor, the one that walks into your skin cells at night, looks around at the damage done during the day, and says, all right, let's rebuild. And the second vitamin? That's the structure builder. It strengthens the actual framework that keeps your skin tight, firm, bouncy, and youthful. When you combine these 2, especially before bed, your body uses them during the deeper stages of sleep to restore elasticity, tighten loose skin, and smooth out crepey texture. Your skin becomes more hydrated, more resilient, and more lifted. Now, the first vitamin I want to talk about is vitamin C, but before you shrug and think, oh, I've heard of that already, let me explain something most people don't know. Taking vitamin C at night works totally differently than taking it in the morning. During the day, vitamin C gets used up fighting UV damage, pollution, stress, and oxidative pressure. It's like using all your money on bills and having nothing left over. But when you take vitamin C at night, when your body finally gets to rest, it doesn't need to waste that vitamin fighting external stress. Instead, it can use vitamin C for what it's actually best at, rebuilding collagen. And not just a little collagen. Your skin uses vitamin C as a cofactor, which means collagen literally cannot form without it. No vitamin C, no collagen. And without collagen, your skin loses firmness, elasticity, and that youthful plumpness. Have you ever pressed on your skin and noticed it doesn't bounce back as fast as it used to? That's low collagen. Have you noticed the skin around your elbows or knees starting to wrinkle? That's low collagen. Does the skin on your neck look thinner than before? Low collagen. And here's the part almost nobody talks about. As you age, your skin becomes less able to store vitamin C. So even if you're getting a little through food, your skin might not have enough to rebuild itself overnight. That's why nighttime supplementation can be such a game changer. It replenishes what your skin has been missing. But the real magic happens when vitamin C helps increase something called dermal thickness. This means the actual layer under your skin gets stronger, so the surface looks smoother. Thin skin looks crepey. Thick, healthy skin looks youthful. And countless people who start taking vitamin C at night report that within a week, their skin feels tighter and looks brighter. The glow increases, the lines soften, and those fragile, papery areas start to look more resilient. And if you're someone who's been dealing with sun damage, dark spots, uneven tone, rough patches, vitamin C works overnight to fade pigmentation by slowing down the enzyme that creates melanin. So you're not just tightening your skin, you're evening out your complexion at the same time. Now let's talk about the second vitamin, the one that makes the biggest difference for saggy skin specifically. This one isn't talked about enough, but it is essential for skin firmness. I'm talking about vitamin E. And let me tell you, vitamin E at night is one of the most underrated anti-aging secrets of all time. If vitamin C is the builder, vitamin E is the protector and healer. It works inside the lipid layer of your skin, the fatty barrier that keeps your skin soft, smooth, cushioned, and tight. When that barrier weakens, your skin looks dry, loose, thin, and crepey. When vitamin E strengthens it, your skin instantly looks more youthful. But the amazing thing about vitamin E is how it works with vitamin C. Vitamin C and vitamin E are like the most powerful tag team in skincare. Vitamin C repairs collagen, vitamin E protects the collagen. Vitamin C works in the water parts of your skin, vitamin E works in the fat parts. Together, they cover everything. And here's something even crazier. Vitamin C actually regenerates vitamin E, meaning when vitamin E gets used up, vitamin C brings it back to life. This is why taking the two together at night creates such dramatic results. This combination doesn't just help with wrinkles, it helps with skin tightening, especially in areas where the skin starts drooping. If you've noticed sagging under the chin, loose skin around the jawline, wrinkly texture on your arms, or that crepe-like appearance on your chest, vitamin E helps strengthen the structural bonds underneath. People who take vitamin E at night often say their skin feels softer, thicker, and more hydrated the next morning, almost like they slept in a luxury mask even when they didn't put anything on their face. And if you're someone who struggles with dry skin, flaky patches, or irritation, vitamin E helps calm inflammation overnight, which prevents the breakdown of collagen that speeds up sagging. The other thing vitamin E does, and this is especially important as we age, is stabilize the cell membranes. When your cells stay healthy, plump, and elastic, your skin looks firmer. When they weaken, your skin sinks. Vitamin E helps your cells keep their structure, which means better elasticity and fewer areas of crinkly texture. Now here's where the nighttime timing becomes even more powerful. When you sleep, your body increases blood flow to your skin, boosts cellular repair, and clears out dead or damaged cells. This is the peak moment where your skin is ready to rebuild. Vitamin C and vitamin E taken before bed deliver exactly what your skin needs right when your body is repairing itself. Instead of using these vitamins for energy, stress, movement, or immune response, your body uses them directly for collagen synthesis, barrier repair, elasticity restoration, and hydration. It's the perfect combination of timing and nutrition. Think of it like giving your skin the materials and the workers right when the construction site opens. If you take them in the morning, your body is too busy fighting external stress to use them properly. But at night, zero distraction, full focus on repair. That's why people report results so fast with nighttime vitamin routines. But now let's talk about something just as important, the transformation process. I want you to understand what you can realistically expect. The first 24 to 48 hours, your skin will feel more hydrated because vitamin E strengthens your lipid barrier. That hydration alone can make your skin look smoother. Within the first 3 to 7 days, fine lines start to soften, the crepey texture begins to reduce, especially on the arms, hands, and neck. The skin feels thicker and more elastic to the touch. Around 2 to 4 weeks, you start seeing visible tightening. The jawline looks a little more defined. The under-eye area starts looking less creased. The skin on your chest and arms looks less wrinkled. And the tone of your skin becomes clearer because vitamin C is gradually fading uneven pigmentation. The amazing thing is that this isn't temporary. These vitamins are working on the skin at a cellular level. That means your results only get better the longer you use them. If you've ever tried a cream or serum and thought, it works for a few hours, but nothing really changes, this is the opposite. This isn't surface-level improvement. This is internal repair creating external transformation. But I want to make something clear. Not all forms of vitamin C and vitamin E are equal. You don't need to overcomplicate things, but you do want to choose forms your body can absorb easily. Vitamin C is best taken as ascorbic acid, sodium ascorbate, or a liposomal form. Liposomal vitamin C is especially powerful at night because it stays in your bloodstream longer and absorbs deeper into your cells. Many people experience better skin results with liposomal versions because the body uses them more efficiently for collagen production. For vitamin E, you want natural forms. Look for D-alpha tocopherol, not the synthetic DL version. Natural vitamin E absorbs better and supports the skin more effectively. And if you want to take it to the next level, choose a mixed tocopherol blend because your skin utilizes multiple forms of vitamin E, not just one. But again, don't stress. Any natural vitamin E taken consistently at night will give you noticeable results. I also want to address something many people wonder about. Can vitamins really make that big of a difference? And the answer is yes, when your skin is lacking the nutrients required to regenerate. Think about it this way. You can have the best moisturizer in the world, but if your body doesn't have the building blocks to create collagen, nothing will tighten. If your lipid barrier is weak, no cream can fix sagging from the inside. These vitamins get to the root cause. They work where creams cannot reach. And that's why people who start taking vitamin C and vitamin E at night often say things like, "My skin looks healthier from the inside out." Now let's talk about dosage. Always follow safe, normal ranges and talk to a professional if you take medications, but general guidelines look like this. For vitamin C, many people take between 500 milligrams and 1,000 milligrams at night. For vitamin E, most people do well with 200 IU to 400 IU at night, especially the natural form. Some combine these supplements with a simple nighttime skincare routine, like washing the face, applying a basic moisturizer, and letting the vitamins work from inside while the skin rests outside. And here's something important. Hydration matters. Vitamins work better when your body has enough water because collagen formation requires hydration. Taking these vitamins at night with a glass of water improves their absorption and makes a noticeable difference in how your skin looks in the morning. Now, let's go a little deeper into who benefits the most from these nighttime vitamins. If you've recently lost weight and noticed loose skin, this combination helps tighten and rebuild elasticity. If you're over 30 and starting to see early aging signs, this slows down collagen breakdown dramatically. If you're over 40 or 50 and experiencing visible sagging, these vitamins help restore the skin's structural foundation. If you've been under stress, which increases free radicals and speeds up aging, vitamin C and E help repair the damage. If you've got sun damage, spots, texture, thin skin, these vitamins help reverse the effects over time. Now, you may also be wondering, why not use a collagen supplement instead? And the truth is, collagen supplements are great, but they don't work without vitamin C and vitamin E. Those vitamins are required for collagen to form correctly. Without them, collagen peptides won't do much. Vitamin C and E complete the process. That's why taking them at night is so effective. They fuel the very systems your skin uses to rebuild. What I love about this method is how simple it is. You don't need 10 products. You don't need expensive treatments. You don't need anything complicated. Just 2 vitamins. And the best part? Consistency pays off every single night while you sleep. I want you to picture something for a moment. Imagine yourself 30 days from now. You look in the mirror and your skin is visibly smoother. The thin, papery areas are thicker and healthier. The sagging around your jawline looks lifted. The lines on your chest are lighter. The skin on your arms looks firmer. And best of all, you feel confident. You feel younger. You feel like yourself again. That doesn't come from magic. It comes from giving your body what it needs. And the test is simple. Try it for 7 nights. Just 7 nights. Take vitamin C and vitamin E before bed, drink a glass of water, and notice how your skin looks in the morning. Look at the texture. Feel the elasticity. Check the hydration. You'll be shocked by how quickly your skin responds when you support it from within. Your skin isn't aging because you're getting older. Your skin ages because it's missing nutrients that were once naturally abundant in your body. These vitamins aren't anti-aging secrets. They're essentials your skin has been asking for. And when you finally give them back, your skin remembers how to be youthful again. So if you're someone who's tired of sagging skin, tired of creepy texture, tired of hiding your arms or avoiding close-up photos, just know you don't have to live with that. You can repair it. You can rebuild it. And you can start tonight. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, "I'm starting tonight," so I know you're ready to restore your skin. Your best skin is still ahead of you, and I can't wait to hear about your results.